even.
Wow.
Look at that face, y'all. And they wore those things as headpieces. Remember the Indians wore them? Shoot. Okay. He's trying to get away from us.
It's a big old buffalo.
Ray, did you get your picture?
I did. Take a little
There's
video.
an antelope right there. You're not doing that big.
Hey. Hi, baby.
Look how beautiful he is. You're
Cool. He
pretty.
looks right at. Oh.
Oh my
Nice.
God. Oh my God, he's coming this way.
That's Teddy.
Okay, now try to get this with the antelope in the background. Now. Right now. Did you get my finger in the picture? It was just my 40 finger.
Look how pretty he is.
Oh, he's gorgeous.
He really is cute. Look at that tongue.
Yeah.
Look at Tony.
Does he smell